Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to clean up your workspace in Notion and remove unwanted comments from your text or word blocks, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to easily delete comments in Notion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your pages tidy, free from unnecessary notes, and fully under your control. Let's jump right in. Imagine you're working on a Notion document. Maybe you've just written a paragraph, listed out tasks, or created an important database. Every once in a while, you might need to add a comment for feedback, collaboration, or as a quick note to yourself. It's a super handy feature. To start, just highlight the word or text block you want to comment on. As soon as you do this, you'll see a little comment icon pop up, usually right above your selection. Go ahead and click that icon, and you'll be prompted to add your comment in the sidebar. Type in your thoughts or reminders, then hit post or send, and your comment is now attached to that block. If you're working with teammates, this is a great way to leave feedback or ask questions without cluttering up the main content. Now, let's talk about the main point of this tutorial, removing comments. Maybe you resolve the issue, or maybe the comment isn't needed anymore, and you want things to look clean and distraction-free. To delete a comment, you have a couple of options. Let's go through the simplest one first. Find the comment icon right next to the block or text where you've added your comment. Click on that icon to open the comment thread. You'll see your comment appear along with some options. To delete, look for the three dots, or what Notion calls More Actions. It's an icon with three vertical dots in the corner of the comment. Click that, and you'll see a list of actions pop up. Delete comment is right there. Click it, and Notion will remove that comment from your block. Just like that, you've tidied things up. If you don't see that icon right away, don't worry. Sometimes you need to hover over the block or click into it to make it appear, especially if your page is busy with lots of elements. But what if you've got a bunch of comments scattered across your document, or you just want to see everything at once? Notion makes it easy. Just head up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a comment icon, usually with a little speech bubble or a counter showing the number of active comments. Click that, and you'll see a panel pop open, showing all the comments across the current page. From here, scroll through and find the specific comment you want to delete. It works just like before. Click the three dots next to the comment, choose Delete Comment, and you're done. It's a great way to manage feedback on larger projects, especially if you're collaborating with a team or just want an overview of all your notes. And that's really all there is to it. Removing comments in Notion is simple and intuitive once you know where to look. If you stumble across anything or the options look a little different, maybe after a Notion update, just remember, the icons might move around, but the general steps should stay the same. Don't stress if it takes a couple of tries to get comfortable with the interface. I hope this tutorial helped you feel more confident in keeping your Notion workspace neat and organized. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Notion questions or tips to share. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll catch my next tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.